Hi everyone, my name is Silvia and today we're gonna prepare a recipe, a healthy recipe, and we're going to need 2 chicken breasts, 3 cups of pasta, a half lettuce, a small jicama, 3 cucumbers, 3 carrots, 3 tomatoes, and we're going to add this piece of bread with butter and garlic. Let's do this.
Our next step is to remove the shells from the vegetables, starting with the jicama. Then we chop the lettuce very finely. We remove the shell from the cucumbers, chop the tomato, and finally the carrot. It is important that we use a peeler so that the process is not so difficult and we don't have the danger of cutting ourselves. After removing the shells, we will proceed to grate the vegetables and fruits, being very careful not to hurt ourselves, and washing our utensils every time we finish with the vegetables. Then, with the cucumbers, we will do the following. We will remove the seeds with a spoon, and these seeds that we remove, we will leave them aside. This is so that the salad doesn't taste sour. When we finish, we put aside our grated vegetables and continue with the chicken. In the case of chicken breasts, we will first cut them into small pieces so that it can be easier to chew. Remember that a good digestion also requires small bites. Then we will take the chicken to the frying pan with a little bit of oil, and we will leave it there until it is well cooked and takes a lighter color. Finally, we let it cool down to be able to remove on to our last step. To finish our salad, we will take a bowl like this and start emptying the lettuce, followed by the carrot, the jicama, the cucumber, the pasta, and finally the chicken. And we will start mixing with a spoon like this. The tomato, we will leave it until the last one so that it does not fall apart when mixing. We continue mixing a little more until we incorporate the tomato and our pieces of bread, all ready to serve to the meal. Ta-da! And this is our final dish. Something like this is what we have when we serve our salad. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you later.